Turn the water off, left hand hole all the way clockwise until the stop. Okay, winterising the caravan, we've turned the water off outside, so the next step is to turn the air valve on, which is the blue valve below the compressor, and you turn it so it's vertical, and then turn the compressor on.
Check.
Okay, and that's just it compressing, so there's air in the pipes. Is this blue valve. So you have to take that valve and turn it so that it's vertical. And you do that, you turn the valve up, so it's pointing up like that, and that's opened the air pipe that the compressor is going to blow air through, so you have to do that to begin with. From the kit in the black bag, you need the 2 wedges and the syringe, and we're now going to go into the ensuite. Okay, we're going to purge the hot and cold tap in the basin, so just turn the hot tap on first. By the way, we've already turned the boiler off at this stage. So keep going, you'll hear the compressor running until the water's all out and it's just air coming through. Okay, wait till the compressor's stopped, and now you can do the cold tap.
You don't have to wait for it to stop completely.
Okay, just mix on most of the side. You can always do it a second time. That's fine. Getting doing the bath now, let's start by doing the shower head. So put the shower head on the floor, right, turn one of the taps on and lift the lever for the shower. Okay, now push the lever down so it does the tap. Okay, now you can turn that off. And next, do the hot, same thing on the other tap.
Can I do the tap first?
Next, you're going to do the toilet. Start by, might as well open the blinds and take the cistern off, the top of the cistern off. Put that to one side.
It's dripping.
Okay, now flush the toilet. Hold it down, both. And you'll hear the air coming through. Release the valve and then put the wedge in to shut the valve up. Yeah, lift that. Yeah, just put the wedge in.
Where?
In there. No, it's sideways there. Okay. Next step is we're going to siphon the water out. So that's it. So you can just do this several times, and you put the water down the toilet or down the bath. It's up to you. Just do that until you've got as much of the water out. So that's what it looks like when it's empty. It's not, just most of the water's out. That's all that matters. And it took about 4 syringes. Okay, so basically same thing in the bathroom. Do the sink first, followed by the shower and the toilet. Put the shower on the floor over the plug hole, right, and then turn it fully cold on the top, so it's fully clockwise, fully, right, now turn it on. Okay, turn that hot fully on, so turn it fully anti-clockwise. Press the button in to go past the safety stop, all the way. Now turn the hot on. And again, each time you said the compressor will take longer, so recompress after each on too.
Turn it off.
Is it finished water coming out? Okay. Finish off by putting the valve at the top back to its normal setting in the middle, and the button pops out. That's it. Now the toilet, Same thing. So first flush and then get ready with the wedge.
Yeah.
Wait, it's not bubbled yet. Now you can put the wedge in. Okay, now you can siphon out all the water. Same as before. And that's that one empty. So I've taken the bowl and the plugs out. I'm just going to empty the kitchen taps now. The dishwasher now, so the first thing to do is turn the dishwasher on using the left button, press and hold it. Okay, when it's on, then press the program button until P5 and the 3-hour light lights up. So there you can see we've got P5, that's all that matters. P5 is flashing. Press start and then close.
Here.
Yeah, and then close the dishwasher. So we're listening, waiting for the bubbling to start and the compressor to start. Okay, when that happens, just pull it open. Okay, and then press the power off. Okay, it's now off. Now we're going to drain the dishwasher drain, so take the bottom drawer out first. Just lift it onto the drawer out the way. That's it. Take the bottom guard off and the drain out. Yeah, so take that drain out, just twists. Okay, and then take the metal guard off.
It needs to be cleaned.
Okay, so in there you can see the drain, so use a syringe to empty that.
Okay, I need to go around there, I can't.
Okay, so now we're going to do the antifreeze. Let's fill this jug half full of antifreeze. And then we'll use a syringe to inject antifreeze into each of the drains. It's always best to have some kitchen roll around because it does leak a little.
It does?
Okay, so once you've got some in the syringe, keep the syringe tilted up so it doesn't drip, right? And then use it and put the nozzle right down the centre of the plug because it's important not to get antifreeze over the bath, and then inject about 20 ml into the plug. Okay, and then when you lift it up, tilt it up again, that's it. And then you can come and do the sink if you haven't put the bowl in the way. Okay, when you've done that, we're going to put about 50 ml into the toilet bowl. Again, just put it down into the water. You see there. That should be plenty. Okay, so now we're going to do the other bathroom. So you can refill, just put the tip of the syringe into the liquid so you don't get it very dirty. Okay, that should be plenty. Tip it up. Okay, so you put it down the shower drain.
How much? 20?
Just put it straight into the drain. That's it. Put the tip in. Put the tip through the drain.
I can't see then.
Only you can see from the graduations. Okay. Okay. Then the sink. Okay, and then the toilet. That's fine. Okay, do the sinks. That's it. Put that down in the middle. Okay. If you do spill any, it's best to wipe it up so that it's not going to stain anywhere like that. It's best not to do it over the sink like that. It's best to do it down the hole.
Oh. Do you want to wipe it then?
Yes. Okay.
It's there as well.
Yeah, well, it's best to avoid it just so it doesn't stain. Okay, and then the dishwasher. Only needs a little in the dishwasher because you've siphoned most of the...
And can that just go anywhere?
Just in the bottom, yeah. That's enough.
It's on the plastic though.
Okay.
Does that need to be
Okay.
wiped or is that...
No, that's fine. And then you finish and just put the excess back in the bottle. Once you've emptied the syringe out, just make sure you always keep some kitchen roll around the end of it, just in case it leaks a bit more. And then you can pour the remainder from that jug back into this container, ready for next time. Okay, so we're going to do the outside pipes now. So you need this tool from the kit, and you're going to be using the second biggest square end that's on those. You need a towel for kneeling on, and that's it. First thing, yeah, open the outside tap and blow that out. Okay. Turn it off now. Okay, each time we do this, it's going to take longer for the compressor to stop. The next thing we're going to do is the hot and cold taps from the ensuite, which are here. There are two holes, one to put your left hand in and the other to put your hand in, so you can reach to the pipes and the drains. We're going to use this towel to kneel on, okay, whilst it's wet. And in this tool, it's got several ends to it. So it's the second largest square one, which is that one.
Okay.
So what you have to do is get hold of each pipe and then undo the drain nozzle until water comes out. And when you're doing this, you have to hold the drain nozzle so it stops turning around, and then it's clockwise to open the valve. Alright, and then you'll hear the water coming out and the compressor start, and leave it running for a bit. That's it. And then when it's run for a bit, you can then close it up. But hold on to that nozzle all the time, otherwise it just twists round.
I've closed it now.
So that's fine, you can close it now. And then the compressor will stop eventually, if you've sealed it. If the compressor keeps running, it's because you haven't sealed the valve off. So probably worthwhile going back in and tightening it again.
Already?
It's okay, Di.
What?
It's okay, I can hear it's going to seal. Okay, and that's the most difficult one because all the other ones are at eye level. It's the dishwasher outlet, so same thing, hold the nozzle and undo it and let the water out.
Did you say
So
clockwise?
clockwise to open it, that's it.
Do you have to open it
Yeah,
fully?
keep going until some water or air comes out.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine, you can do that up again now. Keep, that's That's it, do it up till it's tight. And in this case you might find the pipe has fallen off, but there's a zip tie, as you can see there, so hook the zip tie back up over the nail behind the wood. It's behind the gas bottle, so you need to move the gas bottle frame out the way first, so just lift it and pull it out. That's it, just pull it out, pull it all the way. Okay, so you can get in, and this pipe is just above, if I can just use the video die to show where it is. So it's just there. Okay. And then wait for the compressor to stop. Last two pipes are from the bathroom. There's a hot and a cold in there, both need to be drained.
Doesn't matter what.
No, it doesn't matter which
You
order.
first. Okay.
Yep. Okay, so we finished all that. What we've got to do now is turn the compressor off and then turn the air valve. So open the cupboard, switch the compressor off. Okay, and then reach in and turn the air valve, the blue air valve, so that it's then horizontal.
Okay.
Okay, when we've done that, we now go and open the hot and cold taps in the kitchen halfway, just to let all the pressure out, and we leave them half open to allow for any expansion. And the cold. Okay.
Yay! Finished! The lid.
Yeah. Take the wedge out and then put the system top back on. Okay, and same in the other bathroom. Okay, and then last thing is put the syringe and the wedges and the key back in the kit, in that bag, and then that bag goes back in the boiler cupboard at the back. So you can just place that carefully down on the floor.
Down there?
Yeah, make sure you can catch any pipes on the way down.
Do you know you could do with putting a nail in? Okay, can't let go. I'm stretching too far.
This is where the jug goes, and it just hooks over the side, and then just put some kitchen roll on top of the container and just put that in the corner there, because it does leak and weep a bit, so we just leave it on the kitchen roll. And then you can